Pull up Dave Onauer. From around the world.
3, 2, 1.
Go!
Come on, John.
He's experienced. Now it's choking already.
Gotta eat it all.
Wait, do we have napkins for them anyway?
No.
That's like a heartbreaking.
This is like college.
Jonathan, just take it apart and start eating. Just take it apart and start eating.
Is it good?
I wouldn't even chew it, just swallow it.
Shove it down your throat.
Maybe you guys gotta
Just relax your throat muscles.
You wouldn't know.
Come on, Jonathan!
Come on, Jonathan.
It's $30 up there.
Let's go, Coach. Come on, John. Every last bite.
Come on, Jonathan! You're almost close to halfway.
Close to halfway.
This is horrible. What kind of coach is this?
God dang!
Jeez. Scott, watch out.
Epic failure.
Wait, what,
John, good luck with that.
Don't eat the stick.
Oh, he's eating straight onions.
Oh.
This man's gonna smell.
Oh no, we got onion breath.
Hey, we should eat more food with it. What's the name of this taste nasty?
I don't know.
The rodeo? Is it?
Jonathan's
Rocky
burger just fell
Oh,
apart.
let's go.
Rocky Challenge.
I think Alex
It's
is
done.
Come on,
Alex,
John.
you ate tonight?
A-list.
Come on, Jonathan!
You ate like a wild boy.
Good Jonathan.
I've been waiting for this whole
Come on, Jonathan! Finish it, dude!
minute. Another.
He took 20 laxatives yesterday in preparation.
Drop in there.
Come on, coach, you're going too slow.
Oh, wow.
Sugar in your mouth.
Chain eating! Chain eating!
I think Coach Grice is drinking more of Jonathan's soda than himself.
Yeah, I know you guys are drinking right now.
He's like, I hope Jonathan chokes. Everybody get complaints. Jonathan, you're losing.
John, you're losing.
Dang, Jonathan, you losing, man. You guys
You're losing. Don't lose.
John, come on.
Come on, Jonathan.
Come on, Coach.
Dang, Coach is good.
Coach has got like 3 bites left, John.
Best fart
First
ever.
John.
First one.
Learn how to
Where did my burrito go?
Dude, he ate it.
He's still eating. Sometimes
It's like a bite. Jonathan.
John, he has a.
Jonathan's
What? Yeah.
Sometimes you have to swallow.
It's just swallow.
Oh, no way!
He's not done yet.
If you throw it, finish your drink.
You gotta finish your drink.
We said drink.
And the chips.
We said drink.
You gotta eat it, Coach.
Chips.
Come on, Coach Mel.
Oh yeah, we got the chips.
No.
You gotta finish it.
Come on, John.
Dang, Jonathan.
You gotta finish it.
Chug, chug, chug.
Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it.
Is it good though? There's no way they can eat it.
What is that?
Oh, my stomach's at the limit.
My stomach's at the limit.
Dang. Coach Mel,
Thanks,
I won
Susie.
this.
Hey, John, $30 out the door.
$30, man.
30 bucks. Just. Oh, he's done.
I'm like, someone give him a high, I'm like.
What? Are we eating these?
Come on, John, you gotta finish shit. You gotta at least finish it,
Oh,
Jonathan.
I can't reach. Oh, I reached.
You gotta at least
Here,
finish
take it.
Jonathan.
Real quick. I'm so.
Come on, John.
And where's Matt and Josh at?
Was it John?
Matt
Come on, Jonathan.
Relax and throw him on the
Oh, coach, what? Let me split it. I'll give you half.
You can help
Give
me
coach
guard
half
it
his
tomorrow.
money. Loser.
No. He's just a kid. He has no
John's
money.
probably still
Yeah, you're right.
He's poor.
Eh.
He wants to see. He wants to see Toy Story 4.
That's right.
I have the
Are you
red.
tapped out? Is that it?
I'm trying some of this first.
Oh my god.
I go stretching.
I was stretching.
I was stretching out.
Yes.
Don't stretch it out.
He's just stretching.
Thanks, Steve. Thanks, Steve. You just finishing it? Come on, Christian. You can finish the rest. Coach, you did it.
I know.
He was just like, oh.
There's no doubt.
The video was 7 minutes and 23 seconds.